My little ducks went on the water. My little ducks went on the water. My little ducks went on the water. They stay with their head in the water and their tail up, dabbling, dabbling. They stay with their head in the water and their tail up, dabbling. My little ducks swim in the pond. My little ducks swim in the pond. They flap their wings and have great fun. They flap their wings and have great fun. After playing so much, they got hungry. After playing so much, they got hungry. So they went fishing in a hurry. So they went fishing in a hurry. They ate a lot of fish and now they're stuffed. They ate a lot of fish and now they're stuffed. One after the other they start going home. One after the other they start going home. While going home, they quack. While going home, they quack. And after that under the shadow they all rest. And after that under the shadow